Whose thing is that? Roger, do you know what's this? A weird hat or something, look!
Ah, gotcha! Sammy, what's wrong?
It's a total nightmare! Did you see that?
Mr. Cuphead and I are mates. And he's been looking forward to meeting you.
Whoa, wait! I'm not ready yet!
Hi! Today we're gonna remake this giant,
Hold on, Raj! We're almost there! Almost! Okay, just a few more steps! Yippee! All done!
Oh, here you are. Let's see what you're hiding. Aha!
Army Cheddar, so what a skill!
We don't need the hat piece. Let's get started. And you're gonna need an adult for this.
I'm ready and steady, Raj! Whoa, this is amazing! So cool! I'm shocked! And slimes aren't easy to shock!
Well, now we can take out the... Huh? Sam, did you put this in here? Ew!
You gotta be more careful, Roger! Huh? Hold on! Come on! No!
Bad karma caught you, buddy. Whoa, we're gonna need that. Hold on. Phew, it's done. Let's sand the head with sandpaper. Sammy, come here. See what we've got. Huh? Sammy, is that you?
Hang on, I've got more important things to do. Shimmy shutters. Uh-oh, Roger, it's broken.
Seems like it didn't work out. Let's do it my way. Like this. Mold the clay, and we'll get... Huh? Sam?
Roger, what did you do? Try again.
Oh, sorry, Sam. Just a second. Uh-huh, that's better. Phew. And now we're going to change the face shape. I think it's turned out just fine. Give it a thumbs up.
My entrance. What have we got here? Huh?
You're late. Bye-bye, Sammy. And the next part is coming up. Here's a new tool.
He's actually sewing with a toy saw. Oh, wow. That was weird.
Almost done. Huh? This toy is full of surprises. Ah, get out! Whew. Come on, isn't it over yet? This is the result. Check it out, a real masterpiece.
Wait a minute, are you stealing ideas? Just kidding.
We'll just need a drill to peel off extra parts. Fellows, ask adults for help, okay? Hiya!
Roger, do you have something cooler up in your sleeve?
You got it, Sammy. Enjoy watching.
Make way, Roger! Clay attack! Oh, let me see!
Just one more piece.
Raj, hold on! Put it down!
Sammy! I went a little overboard of the clay, but after all, Sam helped me finish the torso.
Yeah, I should keep an eye on you. Come on, you left him with no pants.
Gotcha, boss. Soon enough, it'll be all set.
Yeah, he needs shoes, too. How am I supposed to roll the clay out? Oh, accidentally turned out great!
You never cease to amaze me. Now I can make shoes.
Make sure they're the right size.
Okay, yeah, that's better. Just a few details and the boots are finished. They look amazing. Hey, what's this? I don't like it. Sammy, where are you? Step to the light. I'm armed. Where did the Cuphead go? Hey, what have you done? The blaster's broken.
I just got the right parts. How I have to clean up while... Roger? Hey, Roger! He's gone MIA for a while.
Oh, did someone call me? Never mind, what's next?
Here's what.
Sammy, what was that? You don't usually miss. Oh, was it a trick?
What were you saying? I couldn't... whoops.
A candy grenade? Oh my!
Roger! Where is he? It's just a container of plastic balls. Oh, what a drama king.
Now it looks like a blaster. So cool. Let's try it out. Aim, fire! Woohoo! Sammy, this is crazy. You and I did a great job, partner. Up top.
Partner!
Let's put some of the mechanisms inside and clay it in.
Here you go, Roger. I've got more if you need.
Oh, we're done here. Now let's move to... Huh? Where did that... Oh, no, what's happening?
Did you like my candy rain? Give a thumbs up then.
Sam, is it ever gonna end?
What a buzzkill. Maybe I messed up. Let me fix it!
Finally, we ran out of candies. So let's move on. We'll glue the blaster battery inside the toy's head, like this. And now we need to pull the wires... out.
It's stuck. Wait, Roger. All done. Phew, what a relief. By the way, I almost finished with the lid.
Okay,
Here it
we'll
is.
knock it out. Woohoo! Now we just have to glue it in its place.
I'll watch and learn. Oh, you can zoom in? Wow. Oopsie.
Here it is. Thanks. Mr. Cuphead needs a straw in his head.
We need to make a hole in it for the ball bullets.
Almost there. Aha! Nice! And we'll hide the muzzle of the blaster in the toy's hand. It's going to be a perfect cover.
I'll do the other hand.
Surrender, slime. I've got you.
What did you? Oh, come here. I'm a fifth-generation boxer.
Aha! Ow! Take it easy, Sam. I can't keep up. See, I got it. That's it. I give up.
No one attacks slime so sneakily.
Now we need to attach the face features. First comes the eyes.
Raj, is there something on my nose?
Just the toy's nose. Add storming eyebrows and the face is done.
Here you go, Raj. Drink some water. You must be tired.
Right, thanks.
What? Did you see that? Have you recorded it?
The most important element. And the Cuphead is ready.
Let's get him colored. We'll use the airbrush. Raj!
Just be very careful. All right, let's go. We'll color the face features as a finishing touch.